One mistake is all that it takes to break up the trust that we made. I'm open to changing my ways this time, this time. Oh, why do I fall for it every time? I do it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video will be installing fog light brackets and the bulbs into the front bumper of the Corolla 2010. Same procedure for 208 to 2013 model. So I have the fog lights here, I have the brackets. So I can start with the brackets first, and then we can finish up with the housing and then the bulbs. So we have the bumper situated, so that's where the fog lights will go, down here. So we'll just get the bracket for that side. So one of them will go to the right side and one on the left. It's labeled correctly. So this is the right side of the bumper. So that means we need the fog light that's to the right side. So what we'll do is we'll just have to flip the bumper, and then we can get the fog lights from this side. So easy procedure. We just need to insert the bracket into the clips. So we have this 3 or 4 clips. So we just lining it up and clipping them inside. Then we do the same on the other side. So just push it in until it clips, until you hear that sound. After that we get the fog light housing. So they're labeled, so we need the one for the left side. And they come with a bulb inside, but if you have your own, then you don't need them. You can just, so I do have LEDs, so I don't need this. They do come with standard halogen bulbs, which you do not, I mean you can use them if you want to. But yeah, so I'm going to just install them without. So and you have these 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have screws for them over here. So at this point is where you flip the bumper over to the other side, and then just screw the housing inside. So check out for the top, label top side. And then you have a spot here you can insert it, and then you have the screws that you can screw to other places. So it's not even 4 spots, it's 2. So now you do the same to the other side.
Tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay?
That's it. That's how we install them. Then later we'll just once we have the bumper on the car, then we can just insert the bulbs, the LED bulbs, and we'll be good. So if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Check the link in the description where you can get this fog light housing and nice LED bulbs for fog light with a nice discount code that you can use. So check out the link in the description. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.